Hello there, guys and girls. Good afternoon to each every one of you. How are you all doing? It's Sunday once again. Yes, very good. So, time to reveal. I know, sorry. Make some guess, guys and girls, for how much these coins that I've saved for my weekly basis. Okay? Come on, don't be shy. Just give it a try. There's no harm on trying. So I save money once again, guys and gals. I hope you are doing also the same thing, right? Yes. Okay, so make some guess for how much this would be. Most probably, maybe. Come on, you can make it. Yes, guys. Always remember: save, invest, earn, and enjoy. Bye for now. Take good care.